What's up everyone and welcome to Zen Industries. And today I'm going to dig deep on the topic which is, do we really need college? I won't talk any BS, just straight to the point. And I myself a college student, so I will tell you my expectation versus reality. So let's jump in. College can be a very beneficial source if you want to improve your personality. You meet new people from different background with different mentality and mindset. I meet various type of people which I didn't saw in my whole life, like people who seem really nice but very manipulative, or people who are very passionate about their dreams, and some lazy as people who just do time pass in college. But in college you really know who you are and how much you need to improve yourself. I'm not talking about grades. College is all about personality and development. I could easily study from home, from online college, but I choose to go into a new city and start a new journey to find who am I, like Batman. First of all, my biggest weakness was I was afraid to talk to girls. I was a shy, underconfident person. But after going to college, I made my new mindset with a mantra that is, in my mind I'm always best.
In my mind, I'm always the best. I don't care what the people are thinking, what they say. In my mind, not just this year, but always, I'm always the best. I'm always going to say that.
And believe me, it really changed my mindset. And whenever I get scared, I say it in my mind again and again. And it actually worked. At the first time in my life, I speak on stage in front of 500 people.
Because of sports. First of all, the qualities that I've learned from him is that dedication and hard work.
I was finding myself, people were respecting me, and some people get insecure of my confidence. So yeah, college really helped me change. Now that's my story of college. But if I dig down, college studies can be pretty boring and even useless sometimes. Like some topics that could take an hour, the college take 2 or 3 days to describe it with all the noises in the class and BS theory. I'm sorry college if you get offended, but that's the reality. College studies are same as school studies. They just focus on your grades, not any practical learning, like what are the real life advantage of learning this topic. And if you act like a good kid in a college, you will be nothing but a nerd, with a degree in your hand with no confidence and no communication skills. Now I'm not saying that you need to be an asshole, but you need to be a kind person with a bit of arrogance in order to survive in this cruel world. If you're too kind, they will use you. So you need to be an observer, like who is real and who is playing game. Now if you're a tech guy, the coding lectures in college can be pretty useless, and most of the time they are mostly time wasting. Coding need focus with quiet environment, and in college you barely learn anything. Now let's talk about the disadvantage of college. You can say that what make college useless for some people. So first of all, the college had outdated education system. Many courses teach theoretical concepts that are outdated or impractical in real world jobs. For example, instead of knowing how electric vehicles work, like Tesla and all that stuff, they teach us how coal engine work. Time consuming. 4 years or even more spent in college could be used to gain real world experience, build a business or master a skill. Lack of financial independence. If you really think that you could achieve your financial dream with college placement job, then the success rate is less than 2%. And even many people get graduated with debt instead of financial freedom. College have limited real world experience. College gave us assignment and test, exam memorization, but not practical learning. Actual skills like negotiation, networking, and entrepreneurship are really taught in college. A degree alone doesn't secure a high-paying job or a financial stability. Many successful entrepreneurs, coders, and creators are self-taught. So let's talk about the conclusion. Let's be honest, college can be pretty useful, but it's not the only way to succeed. It gives you a degree and connections, but real skills and experience matter more in today's world. Many things taught in college are outdated, and it doesn't guarantee a good job or financial success. The best approach is use college wisely. Take its full advantage, but don't depend on it. Focus on learning practical skills like coding, content creation, and business. If you build real skills alongside your studies, you will be ahead of most people by the time you graduate. So that's all for today's video. And if you like it, like, subscribe, and share. And if you like tech and innovative content, so please stay tuned for more videos.